Hello beauties, welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great and getting ready or are very excited for autumn season. As you can see, today we are standing in our kitchen and I'm gonna teach you today a very interesting recipe. I thought before heading to pumpkin spices and other stuff, why not share a very yummy bread. We are making zucchini walnut bread, which flavor is very nice and moist, and I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe. If you're new to my channel, you are very welcome, and I'm sure you're gonna find something interesting to learn on here. So let's go ahead and start our today's recipe. Alright, so our ingredients we have needed all are here, but before that you have to preheat your oven 325 degree. I had on this already as I made very yum chicken tikka. Then you need a large bowl for mixing. Then you need 4x8 2 pans for baking, and you need a spatula. You need 1 full cup of cooking oil. Then I have a 3 teaspoon vanilla essence, 3 large eggs. I have a 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. I have a 3 cup of white flour. Then I have walnuts 1 cup, sorry. Then 2 cups fresh shredded zucchini, and I have a sugar 2 cups and 1/4 and then cup. We have a hand mixer. So these all are our ingredients. So now we're gonna mix all them together. So first we're gonna put our liquid stuff together and we beat them with the hand mixer with sugar. Oil, and then we're gonna add our zucchini into that. Then we are using our salt, baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. Mix them. The same way we're gonna start mixing our flour. We don't need to beat a lot, just have to mix well all the dry flour in there. All right, and then the last part, we are using walnuts. So our batter is ready. Now we're just gonna pour into our pans, which we already greased with the oil. Friends, as you can see, we have poured our batter into our pans and they are ready to put inside. I always like to put my pans in one pan, so in that way it's so easy to grab them, you know. So we're gonna bake them from 40 to 60 timer. I'm gonna put a 40, so after 40 minutes I will check again how much is need more, but recipe say I need a 40 to 60. By the time it's gonna be done, you're gonna enjoy it for whatever time you have. You can do your dishes and enjoy your coffee or watch some TV. All right, as you can see, our bread is out, and I'm gonna show you how nicely that look. I had cooled down for 20 minutes. It's still warm, but I want to show you how easily it's coming out from this container. These are from Dollar Tree store, 3 for $1, and I love them because they are so handy. And if you notice, they already have those like a layers lines, which gonna help me to make a perfect slice. So let's make a slice and see how it's. I love the colors, so pretty. They have a green with the walnuts. And I want to try a piece with you guys. Let's see. Yum. Try it, it's very yummy, and comments below how your bread turned out. Thank you so much for watching our today recipe, and if you really like our today video, please give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations, and I wish you all very blessed day. God bless you all. Bye bye.